Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Vestel car charging station, this is an EVC04, anything in the EVC04 series, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings in it. Now there's basically two reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this charger is not charging for some reason, or if it's not connecting or not working in the way it's supposed to, a hard reset can fix a lot of issues like that. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to get it set up as a new device, maybe you're installing it in a new location or something like that, you can just get everything back to the original configuration on it, out of the box configuration. It's quite easy to do. We're going to look at the manual here. To do that, you're just going to open the charge box up and you're going to come into this area up here. And you'll see down at the bottom right of this area, there is this button here, which you need to press and hold this button for 5 seconds. So if you press and hold this button for 5 seconds, again, it's right here at the inside, then everything will be reset to the factory default settings.